Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching TubeMint. To install Power BI, you must have Windows 8 and above and Windows Server 2012 and above. Desktop requires Internet Explorer 10 or greater, so any um, browser should do. This Power BI has a dedicated landing page that you can visit to learn more about Power BI. There are two releases. One comes with 365 and also comes with this Power BI Pro. Okay, so uh, you can choose your option and then click the download button that takes you to the Microsoft store. I'm going to get the free one. You can simply go ahead and click get, and you must be logged in to install it from your Microsoft Corporation store. Uh, Hopefully you will be able to use this terminal to install. I'll go ahead and check and create another video to install Power BI with Microsoft PowerShell or command prompt. So getting files ready, it takes time. The file size is approximately 500 MB, and you can see this here on the downloads page. Okay, so and that's all you have to do, and then you might have to log in and you should be all right.